Hello YouTube. Today I'll be talking about the fog lights for the 2018 Ford Fusion. This is my first time doing a video, and I thought I'd give a more, updated version, because there's a few videos of how to install lights for this car, but they're some of the older variants. So as you can see, I already removed the bezels there, and I have new ones from a kit that all I did was just repaint them. And then I have the wire right there for the new model. I would refer this exact number. I believe there's a B version, but I'm not too sure if that one has fog lights, but I guess it would be safe to assume. And then you have a bolt here, here, as well as some push screws across here. So it's a little bit different from the older models. So you have one right here, 3, 4, so 5 of these on top, and then 4 right here. And then if you go around to the wheel well, you have one on the bottom, one on the top for the torque screws, and then there's a little push guide right about here, and there's about 2 on the bottom for each side, and then one right here on the other side. And then as far as that goes, all you have to do is replace this, which can get replaced by pulling this out, and you can get your fingers up there and pull it out. What I did is that I just undid the screw there and on the other side, which made it easier to pull this whole component out to get this part out, because for the newer models, the way it's molded, you can't really get your hand up in there, so you would have to remove this part, which isn't really that hard. There's only 2 screws right here, and you can just pull it out, and that makes it way easier for this to pull out, because we had a hard time pulling this out. And this is the aftermarket one with the fog light button, plus and minus. And over here we have the original one, for comparison. So yeah. And then here's the cable. So this version comes with the fog light plug, and I believe this is for the horn, this second plug. And then all you have to do is undo all those screws and bolts and pull a little bumper off and plug these, take the old wire out and plug the new wire in. And this one already has pre-fitted mounting screws, so it should be a pretty easy job. And then I got this kit here that came with the light and came with the bezel, and it did include an aftermarket wire kit that you could hook up to your battery. But the easiest way is just to order a kit that has both the light, the assembly, then the bezel, and then just order a new cord here, and then order a new dashboard button, which would be in a box like this. And all you have to do is take the old one out, put the new one in, undo these bolts here, and put the new light in. And I believe there is also a handful of bolts here underneath the car, so right here and right here. And I believe there should be 8 of these small screws that you undo, and that should be it. So yeah.